How to clean sunglasses. And first off, if your sunglasses look like this, all hot and greasy from the 100-degree weather that's been going on around the world, what you want to do is open them up slowly, like this. You want to make sure you hit the right angles when you clean it. But before you can do that, you want to make sure you have the right cloth. This is a microfiber woven cloth. This right here, let me show you how I get the job done. Take your rag, and you want to go in circles. Yep. Same with this right one. Circles, rub down. Look at that. You want to make sure you get the crevices and the cracks. Now what you want to do is flip them over. Now, look. Look. Much better. Much better. So when you do it, you gotta make sure you go in a circular motion for a few seconds each side, and that's how you're gonna be able to clean these the right way. Because if not, you can just rub it straight, but it ain't gonna get a good cleanness. So let's do an on-face look. Yeah, they're looking real shiny, real clean. Everything's clear. Tunnel vision, I can see straight now, you hear me? Yeah. And that's how you clean your sunglasses for the summertime.